Hey family! Strawberry peach fluff salad is light, refreshing, and delicious. It's made with only 5 ingredients and can be prepared within 10 minutes. It's a delicious, refreshing dessert that's perfect for this summer. So let's get started.
The ingredients we're going to be using today are 1 pound of strawberries sliced, 15-ounce can of peaches, 3.4-ounce package of instant vanilla pudding mix, 2 cups of mini marshmallows, and an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip. Begin by draining peaches and placing liquid into a mixing bowl. Slice peaches into thirds. You can substitute with whatever canned fruit you prefer, but I like peaches in combination with the strawberries because it balances out the tartness. Transfer peaches to the mixing bowl. Stir in instant vanilla pudding mix. Mix until well combined. Gently stir in the strawberries. I don't know about your kids, but my kids love strawberries. And it's my favorite fruit as well. Gently stir in the mini marshmallows. I really love the marshmallows in the salad. It gives it a bite of pillowy sweetness. And lastly, fold in the frozen Cool Whip. No need to thaw it, just fold it right in. The Cool Whip will give the salad a nice fluffy, creamy texture. And that's about it. Barely any work at all, right? Sorry guys, gotta lick the spoon. Can't let all that goodness go to waste. Cover and refrigerate 30 minutes before serving. For the full recipe, I have everything written in the description below. For presentation, I recommend serving them in clear glass or plastic cups. This is such a refreshing dessert that I personally can eat a lot of. Same with my family. I've made this a few times now and there's never any leftovers. Topping this off with a strawberry and a sliced peach. Look how cute that is. This is one fresh tasting sweet dessert.
Cheers!
Yum. All marshmallows this time.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Don't miss out on any of my other simple and delicious recipes. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.